Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Importance of Female Education. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about demonstrative pronoun. Before this in English for grade 4, I have taught you about possessive pronouns. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to extend this concept to identify and illustrate extended use of words that point at something. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 2. This is the book. There is no doubt about it. A guidance for those who are mindful of Allah. Yes, my dear students, what this book, this beautiful verse is telling us. This book, this is the book. Which book? Our Quran. Alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying this is the book. Why? Because Quran is always with us. We keep it at our homes. We recite it daily. Alhamdulillah. So this is the book in which there is no doubt. Every word of Quran is truth and it gives us guidance. It gives guidance to those who are conscious, who are mindful of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? So alhamdulillah, we are among them. We are mindful of Allah all the time, alhamdulillah. Now, my dear children, look at these words. This, those. We are going to discuss about such type of words today. First, to tell me, what are pronouns and which words do you use to point things? Pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, I hope you could recall pronouns are those words which take the place of a noun. And what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. Noun is a name. So when we replace a noun, everything around us has a name and that is called a noun. So when we replace a noun with a word, that word is called pronoun. Now look at this picture. I said this is a tree and these are leaves. So when I point, I'm using few words, okay? This is a tree and these are leaves of the tree, okay? So how do we use words to point things? A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point something specific within a sentence. So the word which points to something is demonstrative pronoun. Okay? And these pronouns can indicate items that they can be either singular or plural. The way I told you, when I say this is a tree, it means I'm talking about one thing. And when I say these are leaves, it means I'm talking about more than one. So singular and plural. So the pointing words, this, these, that, those are known as demonstrative pronouns. Are you clear? Okay, so let's learn further. Look at this. This is an apple. So why I'm saying this? Because this apple is close to me. It's near, so I'm saying this is an apple. And if it's far away, I will say that is an apple because it's not close to me. It's far away from me. These are apples and those are apples. If it is close, I will say these, and if it's far off, I will say those. Now, the singular noun, if the object is singular, then we will use pointing word this. And if it is plural, we will use these. In which case, when the object or objects are close to us. But if they are far off, for singular, we'll use that, and for plural, we'll use those. Okay? And this, these for nearer, for closer, that, those for the objects which are far off. All are demonstrative pronouns, right? Okay, so let's see what does your book say about it. Demonstrative pronouns. The words this, these, that, and those are called demonstrative pronouns, right? This and these are used to point to things near us. That and those are used to point the things farther away, right? If the things are close, we use this and these, and if they are far away, we use that and those. Demonstrative pronouns can be singular or plural. Singular are this and that. Again, both are singular. One is for closer, for nearer things, and one is for far away. And plural are these and those, right? How do we use them? Those apples look juicy. Why those? Because they are far from us. So those apples, those is demonstrative pronoun for plural object which is far away from. This is my jacket. Again, this is demonstrative pronoun. These are your books, right? This is how we use these demonstrative pronouns in our sentences, right? Okay, so let's practice it with from your book. Use suitable demonstrative pronouns to fill in the blanks. You have to read the sentence, and out of this, that, these, those, you have to choose a correct demonstrative pronoun and complete the sentences. Pause the video, complete this exercise, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for an activity. How are we going to do it? On the board, teacher will draw a horizontal line and explain that lower part is nearby and upper part is far away. For things that are drawn in close proximity, students make sentences with the demonstrative pronoun this or these, and for things those are farther away, students make sentences with that or those. Teacher will pair the students, and one student from the pair will draw an object in this and these part and will make a sentence with the correct demonstrative pronoun. The second student in the pair will draw an object in that or those part and will make sentence with the correct demonstrative pronoun. This is how teacher will prepare the board, and students will draw. One will draw here and the other will draw here, and they will use these demonstrative pronoun in their words, okay, in their sentences. So pause the video, complete this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. You are smart. So it's time. First, I'm giving you homework. That's here. You will write 10 sentences using demonstrative pronouns learned in class. And then you will complete this worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And what you are going to do, you will complete these sentences by using correct demonstrative pronoun. So in this way, what we have learned today, we learned that pronouns are those words that take the place of a noun, and we learned that a demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence, and these pronouns can indicate items, and they can be either singular or plural. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to identify and illustrate extended use of words that point at something. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.